Oh! Let's go!
Yes!
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Back in the shed today. We got some bike parts which we're going to be throwing on. Look at all these parts we got. Let's hook in. Hey, so Brandy's bike, we're going to go right through it. New bars, new grips, new levers. Start there, and then we're going to go work our way back, flush the fuel tank, maybe a new spark plug. Then we're going to work our way down, go new radiator hoses. Then we're going to move back, new battery, and then we got some old plastics, but way nicer than what are on here, so we'll throw that on and just get it a bit spruced up, get it running really good, because at the moment we can't even get it to start or idle very well. Could be some fuel line issues, but we'll see. Is that the only connection? Probably on the KTM. Cool. Just went for a ride into town, grabbed some essentials, coffee, fuel, and some parts we needed just from our local auto dude in Karoi. He's a legend. Check out these, some hose clamps for the radiator hoses, new oil. They didn't have any brake cleaner, so that'll do. How you going, boy? Good, brother. New hoses on, or going on?
Bit of a miss. Worth it, but.
So you got to rotate that one. Oh, it's going to go like that actually. I reckon she's good.
I tried to imitate it.
Yeah.
Back out.
Go out.
Okay, now it's good.
Yeah. Sweet guys, got all the new hoses on, the 350, and yeah, we went to the auto store and got some new hose clamps. So yeah, all brand new stainless steel hose clamps. It's looking good. So what are we on to next? Next, we're gonna put the bars on and flush the tank, flush the radiator completely out. Probably should have done that with the old hoses, but doesn't matter. Pull the bung and flush that. And you got the new tail on, which is looking good. A lot nicer than the old one, isn't it? New battery went in, so we were like trickle charging the old one. Electric start would work for, I don't know, maybe 10 starts. But yeah, I think she was pretty fried. So yeah, new battery's gone in, coming together.
They're so nice. It's a big sheesh.
Sheesh.
How much it is? 140 bucks. It's looking great. Yeah, you love that. It's going to pre-run with that, so. Yeah, good for now.
Resistance. That was missing.
Yeah.
So the seat was just flopping around. Look at that.
Damn, son. Dang, son.
Dang, son.
Dang, dude.
Guzzle, guzzle, guzzle.
Drop it down, boy.
Having not that late.
Look at that. Literally. Are you leaking out the top?
Watch the car down with that kid.
That's got a leak, bro.
Yeah, because we've loosened it.
Yes.
Straight to the pool room, baby.
Letting them stand.
You've never seen the castle?
No.
What? Are you actually serious?
Yeah.
Tell the camera you've never seen the castle.
I've never seen the castle.
Dude, you're not even Australian. That's going straight to the pool room.
Yeah, never heard of that.
I think this is where we part ways, my boy. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah,
Race coolant. We won't be needing that for you.
Such a dog, eh? Such a dog.
Nah,
Why am I here?
Where's it like?
It's full? Dang, son.
It's looking so much better. And running nice. It starts and runs sweet. Usually it's just old dirty fuel, eh?
Yeah, it could have been the fuel.
That new lithium battery is insane.
Yeah, first click, eh? How hot was that?
Pretty hot.
Ouch. Even that's hot.
Dude, that was hot. That's not old oil.
No, it's not. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's what you expect. But we'll give it a clean.
Yeah, it makes you wonder what's going on and what the last mechanic did.
Ouch.
It's clean. That is clean oil.
There it goes. What have we done? Looking good.
Mate, what haven't we done on this thing? Basically redone everything that the last owner forgot to do.
Yeah.
So many missing bolts. The seat had one bolt in the back and the front was flopping.
Yeah.
Fuel tank wasn't even bolted on. Front shrouds weren't bolted on. So we're going to put all those in.
Yeah.
Bars are on, grips are on. New, well, it's a second hand, but
Yeah,
new to the bike. It's an old one off one of our old KTMs.
Yeah. All new hoses.
Yeah.
Radiator hoses, clamps.
We've flushed the tank, so that's all clean and nice.
Yeah.
We'll put some new fuel in that.
Yeah.
Flush the radiator system. Fill that up, put fuel in it,
Change
warm
the
it up,
oil.
change the oil.
Yep. Take it for a burn.
Let's grab the next one. Little TTR 125. My wifey's bike. We're gonna put some new bars on it, make it a bit more comfortable. She's a bit of a bar snob like me and only runs the Pro Taper fatties. So. New grips, new bars.
Rick start. Shame we don't have a Rick around here. We can fix that. I reckon she's all fixed now. I'll fix the electric start. Yeah.
This is how we go. Bro, that's gonna feel incredible. Oh yeah. You're welcome, Brookie. We love you. I'm assuming it's a relay, so we've swapped a new relay in, or Joey has. Now,
Hey, I did something. Alright.
this
Have a
is the
go.
test. Key on.
Key on, yeah. Is it in neutral?
Should be.
Yeah. Oh! Let's go!
Yes! Dude! Oh yeah!
Oh, that's amazing. Brooke's gonna be stoned.
Let me do
Again.
it. Again.
Oh!
Dude, that is far. It's never ran this good before, has
How
it?
much was the relay?
$10.
$10.
So cheap.
So worth it, man.
That's literally all it was.
We thought it might have been that cable. Yeah, but new battery, relay, easy.
Dang,
Right.
son!
Dang, son! See ya.
Yeah, legit.
Wow. You know what? What if it was a fuse?
Imagine.
Dude, fuse.
Legit.
Yeah.
Don't tell me that. Oh, that's hilarious. So now we just got to find a spot for this key. Because the key won't fit up here anymore since we mounted this big kahuna. Rather not slip, hey?
Oh, yeah.
Then make rolling grips.
Yeah.
Oh, that one was nice. You can tell we've done a few today, hey? This is actually harder than the KTM 250L.
Where's the second one?
It's got this lever here. That's got to go into there. That's got to go on.
It's all at the front.
Yeah. Nice.
It's relocation of the key. Look at that. Tucked away nicely.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Off.
you're on.
So isolator. Oh, and then boom, jump up here.
Let's go.
It's actually running better. How do you do that? How do you do that? Just drop it. Yeah, okay. That's it. There you go. Little tidy up, complete. Key's been moved. It was up here on the bars. Just didn't work with the new pro tapers. So I'm out of breath. I've just been hooning around.
That's good. So what do we got? New bars, new grips.
Yeah.
You did the levers already?
Yeah, levers were done.
Yeah.
Bars, grips.
Adjusted the wheel with the handlebars a bit.
Yeah, it's a bit.
Good, how you going? Move the key.
Yeah.
Let's show. Move the key down here. What else did we do? Oh, electric start. Show us. So good.
Well, there you go, Brookie. Enjoy it.
All right, this is my Honda. This is up for sale actually, because I'm trying to buy a 350. But all we're doing is putting new grips on it, and I bent this bark buster last ride. So
Really? It looks fine to me.
yeah, it doesn't sit.
Hey.
So yeah, quick grips and yeah, adjust that, and we'll be in business. Let's do it. Say let's do it a lot.
Watch Joe. He's going to scratch our beautiful paint job. Very.
I wonder
high
how
speed.
the dirt got in there. It's weird.
Yeah. Someone must have thrown some dirt at you or something.
Very strange. Really
See how
feels.
it's Yeah. It's like this could just snap out. Itchy ear.
Oh, is that broken? Stop it.
Open it up, girl.
All the times you picked it up, going, "Wow, it's still alive."
This bike never breaks.
Yeah. Why is it broken?
Why is it like so much stuff? Oh no.
What?
Oh no.
What have you done? Oh dear.
Is that out?
Really? It's not working for me. Yeah.
Freak, it's heavy. Isn't it? It's definitely time to go to a KTM. Precision.
Oh wow, look at that.
Is that going to be an issue? Look, it's like grab points. Karanda. The chances of me even missing center. Oh, see? Told you. Clean. But you have to just wind it all the way down.
Precision, boy.
Oh, doesn't love it. Yeah, that's good, right? Yeah. They call me Six Finger Joe.
I can guarantee there'll be like 50 comments saying, "Guys, you meant to just cut the ends off. We know,
Get
but Joey wants to keep the red."
Get the Granda. Just cut them off.
No,
No, that's still not big enough. Did you pre-lube that? Or?
Yeah, so they recommend 4 lines
4 lines.
and a generous rigging, just so it slides on.
Okay. Oh, I can see this getting bad.
Oh, dang, son!
Dang, son!
That red, oh, the red accents really, really pop.
I actually love red.
I can't tell.
Is this
Red 80, red bike. We need to do red rims. Oh,
Yeah. Don't encourage me. We're gonna need more glue, baby. Oh no, we got it. You like that? That's good. Actually,
You're gonna love
so
that
much
because
better.
it's not gonna roll as you ride.
Yeah, my last ones were twisted.
Horrible.
Yeah, not a good feeling.
And the comfort of these,
That's why I keep
the
coming off.
rubbers. 100%. It was your grip.
The skill base is there.
Yeah,
There's
you're
no-
definitely a better rider than I am.
There's no lack of
No
talent
doubt.
here, if
Oh,
I'm honest.
100%. It was your grip letting you down.
Yeah.
If you can't hold on to your bike, of course that's why you're falling off.
Yeah.
Like the
can't
time
hold
you
on to your
flipped
dreams.
it.
99% of them, slippery gypsy grips, mate. Get it on and done up a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to not stack it.
So yeah, we'll have to straighten that. If the new owner of Joey's CRF 250 is watching this video,
Loved,
This is-
never abused.
yeah. Pump it.
Yeah, just get that on.
Look at that. Grips, done. Bike buster, unbent, sorted. Stacked, never stacked. TTR, new bars, new grips. Battery,
Electric start.
electric start.
Yeah.
Happy. Brand
Happy.
bike. Battery, coolant, oil, fuel, new bars, new
Hoses.
grips, new levers. Yep, new hoses. And it still doesn't run.
It's still got issues. So.